In 2020, young voters turned out in record numbers. And as a result, President Biden and I made the largest investment in climate action in history. We canceled $132 billion in student debt for 3.5 million Americans, and we will continue to fight to provide more relief. We passed the first major gun safety legislation in nearly 30 years. We invested more than $7 billion in our HBCUs, and we changed federal marijuana policy because nobody should have to go to jail just for smoking weed. Elections matter, and we have more work to do. In 2024, our most fundamental freedoms, like reproductive freedom over our bodies, is at stake. And to protect our freedoms, we need your help. Please visit joebiden.com to sign up to be part of our campaign. Thank you.